Welcome to the 2018 Best Robotics Competition, Current Events. This year's game is brought to you by the Southeastern Center of Robotics Education at Auburn University. Current Events will challenge and test your engineering skills, data analysis, and problem-solving abilities. Current Events is a recycling game played on a 32-foot by 12-foot field. The field is divided into 4 currents designated by 4 unique colors. Currents are unstable rails that are elevated at the starting positions. Robots will be able to ride the current from the starting position, but will have to fight the current headed back. Ocean garbage is the primary type of game piece that will be scored. These include soup cans, 8-ounce, 16-ounce, and 1-liter plastic bottles, microplastics, and rubber duckies. Robots will have to beware of the sea turtles while they're working in the ocean gyres. All game pieces except the rubber duckies will be located on one of 4 ocean gyres. There is an Atlantic Ocean gyre, an Indian Ocean gyre, and 2 Pacific Ocean gyres. 2 rubber duckies will be found on top of each team's current. Ocean garbage can be scored by either of the 2 spotters, the field engineer or the field scientist, in this year's game. The field engineer is located in the field engineer operating area at the end of each team's current. The field engineer can collect garbage from the robot using the recycling box found in the field engineer operating area. The field engineer can use recycled garbage to build reef blocks and filament tubes that the robot can mount onto the artificial reef structure. Each reef block must be made up of 4 of the same type of garbage. Completed reef blocks and filament tubes will be placed on the receiving platforms for the robot to pick up. Field engineers need to be careful to avoid handling the sea turtles. Only field scientists are qualified to handle the wildlife. The field scientist is located in the field scientist operating area to the side of each team's current. The field scientist can collect garbage and wildlife using the wildlife habitat box located in the field scientist operating area. The field scientist is responsible for assessing the impact of the ocean garbage on the wildlife. They will inspect the sea turtles, and any garbage found in the turtle's stomach will be worth double as we try to minimize the damage to the ecosystem. Each field scientist is also responsible for the current flow analysis. The rubber duckies found on each team's current contains information that allow teams to figure out the direction of the current's flow. Chances of determining the correct current flow are increased by collaborating with other field scientists. To determine which robots can be most effective at recycling a variety of garbage types, a flexibility bonus will be given to robots that can score 2 reef blocks with different types of garbage, a reef block and a filament tube, 4 reef blocks with each type of bottle and soup cans, in addition to 1 filament tube. Good luck, Best Robotics teams, as you compete in Current Events 2018.